Hello, I'm going to introduce to you the smart home solution from Radisys. This is a solution which is for advanced monetization of broadband networks. It can be deployed over wired or wireless solutions. What we offer is a complete bundled kit of hardware, gateway hardware. We have smart plugs, we have sirens, we have indoor cameras, smart bulbs and outdoor cameras. The solution also comes bundled with a cloud backend solution and a mobile app that's available both on Android and iOS. This solution is very intuitive for the end customers to use. It offers in the mobile app features like rules, scenes, geo-fencing, and I'll be quickly taking you through some of those features. So as you can see on the screen here, we have few rules like camera motion, home security, corridor lighting set. It's very intuitive for the users to come and create rules which allow you to, for example, make some of the sensors like the front yard motion sensor trigger a bedroom bulb or an outdoor bulb. So this kind of rules can be created by the users themselves. Similarly, there is an option to create scenes with multiple devices. Part of a scene like a party scene, so you can switch on a bulb or a smart plug by creating these scenes. And we also offer all of these devices to talk back to our cloud backend. This backend consists of so this is our backend portal that you are seeing on your screen right now. The backend portal contains ability to view all your subscribers, manage your gateways, manage your devices remotely, provide L1, L2, L3 support to your customers, and basically manage the whole installation. We also give you business KPI dashboards. These dashboards allow you to create and visualize various kinds of reports. So this includes monthly recurring revenue from your smart home digital service. It includes the annual recurring revenue, the ARPU, the lifetime value of your customers, and a complete geographical view of where your subscribers are located and where you're getting your maximum revenue from. It also gives you number of customer-centric KPIs like the NPS score, the request volumes and your service levels. It gives you the subscriber satisfaction scores, your subscriber retention and churn rates. Our smart home gateway can be white labeled along with the mobile application and the backend portal for all our telco customers. So an overall package here for smart home which offers you ability to monetize your broadband services and give you complete holistic solution that you can offer to your subscribers. Thank you.